we doing, YouTube? R6 Monkey is back. If you follow me on socials, if you've seen my Insta and my R6 Monkey YouTube page, you will see I posted a photo of the shark helmet all geared up for vlogging once again. Yes, I've been using the bike during this better weather for getting back and forward to work, and I thought time to get back out and record some content for the old Tube of the U, for that old YouTube channel. I have missed you guys. You may notice a few videos back I've started sort of climbing Monroes and shit. That all started with Albazir. I will post a link to their YouTube channel. It'll be in the card up the top. But yes, we were doing a wee charity thing, 6 Monroes in 6 months. There'll be plenty about it on there. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today. What I'm going to talk about today, I will get back to after I put some go-go juice in Lucille. Catch you in a bit. Dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Super unleaded. Only the best. Wow. How? How we doing? Pump 2? No, it's fine. Right, superb, thank you. Well, that was a shocker. And all that is holy, does Face ID work on my phone when all that was shown to me was this? I'm not going to complain because I didn't need to put my passcode in on camera or fucking take my helmet off, but still. Ah, you crack on, pal. I need to get in front of the motorbike and then fucking indicate in front of him. But aye, fucking Face ID with helmet on. So yes, what I want to talk to you today about is the attire I'm wearing. You'll notice I'm not wearing my leathers, but don't worry, we're still protected. Let me also add that this is not a paid promotion, this is just me giving out some kudos to a very small startup company that has brought some fantastic stuff onto the market. And the name of that company is, I don't know if you'll see it, is Black Isle Motorcycles. Now they haven't actually got the stuff up on their website for sale yet, but it just so happens I know the guy got some early access, which I'm not going to shout, I'm not going to argue about, but it's really good stuff. Now I'm not saying that I'm not going to be wearing my my leathers anymore, because I do still like wearing my one piece. Kinky! But no, for stuff like this, like this morning I'm going out to meet a few guys for a wee bit of breakfast. So if you're going to be sitting, if you're not going to be on the bike all day and you want to be comfortable also when you're off the bike, it is perfect. So a bit about the stuff. Kevlar lined hoodie with back protector, shoulder protector, elbow protectors. It's got all the stuff you need, and I'm sure it's all level 2 armour that's in it. And the jeans are have hip protectors and knee protectors. Normally my last pair of jeans just came with the knee protectors, but it came with the pockets for the hip protectors if I wanted to add it separate. Again, Kevlar lined. What I love about the fucking hoodie though is it's got wee fucking stud button tabs on the waistband there that you can link through the belt loops of your jeans. Stops it from fucking running away up your back when you're tucked under the screen. So it does, and I love that about it. They also do a Kevlar lined check shirt, which I'm not sort of wearing at the moment because I've got the hoodie on, and they have both on would just be madness unless I took the Armoured one first, then I'd get away with it. But yes, the shirt is I'll do a separate wee video on that. Hold on. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Yes, as I was saying before, I couldn't really talk anymore because of the racket. The shirt also has, is similar to the hoodie, Kevlar lined and back, elbow and shoulder pads. Oh, shoulder pads, how very 80s. But no, it's very nice. Very nice. My name is Jeff. So yes, I will do a separate video of that, and I'll maybe get some photos of the stuff up where you can actually see it properly. I'll get my modelling pose on. So I shall. But no, I will post a link to their website, even though they haven't quite got this on their shop yet. Prior they were doing I don't know if you mind, I had likes of the hoodie, the neck gaiter, no the hoodie, the fucking sports jacket type thing, the neck gaiter t-shirts. Speaking of neck gaiters, I forgot to put it on the day, hence why the fucking beard's hanging out the bottom of the helmet. Well, a fucking set of spider legs. But I'm going to go for breakfast with this bunch of fucking misfits, and I'll catch you in a bit. Right, so yes, I had the breakfast and came out to a wee spot of rain. Oh, you couldn't write it. So yes, here we are, we've got a wee bit of rain now. So we'll get to see how this Black Isles motorcycle stuff holds up. In fact, do you know what I can do? Let's scoot in here. So this here on the Wheelex Moto 125, this is Davey, and what you see him modelling is the Black Isles motorcycle shirt I was telling you about, the checkered one. So that'll let you see the sort of style of that. Again, as I say, it's got the back protector, all level 2 armour, back, shoulder and elbows, but that doesn't have the wee tabs to secure it to your belt loops. But it doesn't really take anything away from it. Still quite a nice looking shirt. So yes, as I say, I will post a link up and the description to Black Isles Motorcycles. Once again, I'll also add that this is not a paid promotion in any way. This is me just giving kudos to a small start-up company bringing out some decent gear. As I say, they also do the just like your casual wear, your hoodies, t-shirts, sports jackets. All sporting the Black Isles Motorcycles brand. But yes, I shall head off just now. Hopefully this rain will go off and the roads will dry up a wee bit. And I should get back out again soon. Get back to making some content. And catch up real soon. Uddingston, home of the Tunnocks Caramel Wafer. Just over the back there is the Tunnocks factory. I'm sure as well just up here, just up there they've got the wee tea shop. You winning? So yes, as I say, I will head off just now, get back to making some more content and get things more active again. So just remember guys, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till next time, bye.